Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
This is because baking powder is made up of sodium bicarbonate and tartaric acid, also known as baking soda and cream of tartar, respectively. You can use 1.5 teaspoons 6 grams of baking powder to replace 1 teaspoon 3.5 grams of cream of tartar.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
If you're out of lemons, however, white vinegar will also work. The substitution ratio is 1:2. For your recipe's measurement of cream of tartar, use double that amount of lemon juice. So if a recipe calls for 1/2 teaspoon cream of tartar, that's 1 teaspoon of juice. It's really that simple.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.